Karnaugh map, because you can see here this particular Boolean function is expressed in terms of min terms, right? So the min terms that are given are 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 19, 22, 24, 25, 30. So this is how you're going to have a Boolean function with the min terms. So whenever the min terms are there, you can come to a conclusion that whenever you see this question, if the sigma and m, small m are there, it is sum of product form. For example, if there is pi with capital M, then this particular expression we call it as POS, which is product of sum form. Since they have given sigma M, which is sum of product form. So now for this particular min terms, you have to have a binary representation, right? So for 3, I think this is a 5 variable Karnaugh map. So you can see that this is E, D, C, B, A, and for 3 it is the representation is something like 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, right? So this is a binary representation for a 5 variable map. So for min term 3 you're going to have 1, 1, 1, 1 and followed by all zeros, right? 1, 1 followed by all zeros. So you can have 1, 1 and 0, 0, 0. And then for 5 it is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. And for 6 it is 1, 1, so 4 and 2, and the other possibilities are 0, 0. And then for 8 and for 9 and 12, 13, 12, 13, 14 and 19, and then 22, 24, 22, 24, and then 25 and 30. So these are the terms that are given, right? So in order to get these particular values, now you are going to see for 8, it is, here you can write 8, here you can write 8, so 0, 0, 0 and 0. And for 9, it is 1 and 1 followed by all zeros. And for 12, so these two, if you put 1, 1, then it is 12. And for 13, it is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, right? And for 14, you can say 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. So these three you have to make ones. So I hope that you people have understood how to represent this in a binary form. And 19, so 19 you can see, for example, 19 you can make something like 16 plus 2 plus 1. So 1, 1, 1 and followed by 2 zeros, right? And for 22, you can see 22, that is, you can make 16 plus 4, 20 and 22. So 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, right? And finally 24, you can make 24 as 16 plus 8, which is 24. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. And for 25, it will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And finally for 30, you can see it is, if you add these 4, then you will get 30. So that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now you have generated a binary representation for all the min terms. And for this min terms, since it is SOP, you are going to plot a Karnaugh map, 5 variable Karnaugh map, with plotting all ones for the min terms, right? So now I'm going to have a 5 variable Karnaugh map. 5 variable Karnaugh map. So first I'm drawing a 4 variable Karnaugh map. So here you can see, since it is having 5 variables, I'm going to express this as E is equal to 0 for the first Karnaugh map, and then right, so that is E is equal to 0 for first Karnaugh map. With the rest of the 4 variables, you can make it as D, C, B, A. So hope this is clear. This is E is equal to 0, and for the same way, E is equal to 1, you are going to plot E is equal to 1. The same way, E is equal to 1. This is how a Karnaugh map is plotted. So this is MSB and followed by the A, which is LSB. So here also DC and BA. This is how you're going to form a Karnaugh map. Here, this for a 5 variable Karnaugh map, you remember that this is like a mirror image. So this Karnaugh map and this Karnaugh map will be like a mirrors. It will be having a shape. So you see, so we'll see the positions of this particular Karnaugh maps. So here you can see that this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. As I told you that we are following the gray code sequence because there should be only one bit change. So 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1 to 1, 1, second bit is same, but first bit has changed. In the same way, second bit is changed. So only one bit position has to be changed. That is how a gray code sequence will work, which is also called as unit step sequence. So the same way, even you're going to construct here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. In the same way, 0, 0, 0, 1, and then 1, 1, and 1, 0. So now I have plotted the 5 variable Karnaugh map with E is equal to 0 as first phase and E is equal to 1 as a second phase, and followed by the 4 variables. This is how you are going to construct the Karnaugh map. So this total picture is 5 variable Karnaugh map. And now we will see how you are going to mark the positions of this particular Karnaugh map. So as you people are aware of how to plot a 4 variable Karnaugh map, here you can see that this is the position 1, position 0, position 1, and position 2, position 3, position 4, position 5, position 6, position 7, and then at the end 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12, 13, 14, and then 15. This is how you have placed the first 15 cells in the first Karnaugh map. And now 14, after 15, you are going to plot again 16 here, 17, 18, and 19. Hope this is clear. This is how we are going to represent it. So 19 completed. So 20, 21, 22, 23. So the positions. And coming down, 23 after 24, 25, 26, 27, and then 28, 29, 30, and 31. So you can see that the 5 variable Karnaugh map means n is equal to 5. So it will be 0 to 2 power n minus 1, which means 0 to 2 power 5 minus 1, that is 0 to 2 power 5 is 32, 32 minus 1 is 32 minus 1, 31, so 0 to 31. That is how you are going to represent the binary forms. Now the positions are ready. The positions are ready for the Karnaugh map. Now you are going to plot all the ones that are there, the corresponding minterms in the particular Karnaugh map locations. Now you see for this particular thing, you can see 1 on 3. So the position 3, you are going to place 1, right? So position 3 you are going to place 1, and then position 5 you are going to place 1, then position 6 you are going to place 1, and then position 8 you are going to place 1, and then position 9 you are going to place 1, and position 12 you are going to place 1, and position 13 you are going to place 1, and position 14 you are going to place 1, and 19. So you will go to the second Karnaugh map, which is a part of the same Karnaugh. So it is a 5 variable Karnaugh map. So 19 you are going to place 1, and then 22 you are going to place 1, and then 24 you are going to place 1, and 25 you are going to place 1, and then 30 you are going to place 30 you are going to place 1, right? Sorry, I think 30 you are going to place 1, right? So check how many minterms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So one thing is missing. Are this clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 13 completed, right? So now you can see this particular Karnaugh maps are like a mirror, right? So here the same grouping of ones which are adjacent ones into groups. So you know the concept of octant, quad, pair, right? So now you can see that this particular positions, you can make it as a group, right? So you can see, since these two Karnaugh maps are same, you can feel it like these four can form as a, so this one and this one, it is like a mirror, right? So these 4 are considered to be quad. So this is group. So quad group, which is having 4 ones. You can see all the 4 ones are there, right? So just have a small marking like that. Just have a marking like that, which means that this is forming a quad. And now you can see that this particular one and this particular one are in the same position. If you are making it, the third cell and third cell are same. So even this you can mark it as 1, and this is pair because 2 ones are there, and I form it as group. Right? This is the second group that I have plotted. And now coming to this particular positions. So you can see here that these 2 and these 2 of both the Karnaugh maps are in the same position. So this we call it as quad, and this is also a group. So as of now I have taken 3 groups from this particular Karnaugh map which are having the same positions in this particular Karnaugh map. So this is clear. These 3 groups are clear. And now coming to the next one, you can see like here this is completed. So here these ones are there. So you can see that this you can make it as a group in only E is equal to 0 Karnaugh map. And for this you can say this particular thing can be made it as a quad. So here also I have from 2 groups, that is quad. This is group, and then this particular thing is also one group with 2 ones, because then it is called pair. So how many groups we have generated from this Karnaugh map, this 5 variable Karnaugh map? So here 3 with here 2. So 5 groups that are there which may be quads or which may be pair. And one more thing I would like to tell you, if all the Karnaugh maps have all ones, then the expression for this particular Karnaugh map which is having all the cells 1, y is equal to 1. That is how expression is represented. If all are zeros, then y is equal to 0. Oh, okay. So now coming to the actual procedure, now we are going to form the equation f of, the positions as per the same position you have to take. So E, C, D, C, B, A. So MSB to LSB. So here it is not A, it is represented with E, D, C, B, A. So now the function I have written it, and now I am going to generate the terms that are extracted from this particular 5 variable Karnaugh map. So we will see the first the expression where in both the Karnaugh maps same positions, we will take that groups into consideration. So the first one we will take this one, that is pair of group. So here you can see this particular one, it is having common as here this one, that is D bar, C bar and BA, right? So you can see here, you can see in the same position I am going to write, this is D bar, C bar and then B, A. So we have completed this. I am marking it as with star. So this group is completed. Now I am going to generate another term, right, another term. So here we see this particular term, right? So this particular term we are going to see, and here also you can see this particular term. So here you can have the expression in such a way that it is a quad, right? So for that quad, we'll see what are the terms that are common in nature. So C is common, and from here it is C, and then it is B A bar. So C B A bar. So this is the expression that I have generated for this particular group of ones which are quad. And now coming to this particular group. First I am comparing both the commonalities of both the Karnaugh maps, and for this quad you can see that you are going to have the same. So this is something like D, C bar, and then you can see here the commonality is B bar. So this is the expression that I have got for this particular quad of ones. Now commonality is completed. Now coming to the next expression. Now in this particular Karnaugh map, you are going to have one particular quad here, which is a group, and then this is another group, right? So for these 2 groups, E is equal to 0 has to be included, because you are taking only the group of ones from this particular Karnaugh map, you are excluding this Karnaugh map because all the commonalities are completed. Now for this particular Karnaugh map, you are going to extract this particular quad. In this quad, you are going to see E is equal to 0, which means E bar. So E bar, because E is equal to 0, and then this quad is having, here the commonality is D, and then here is the commonality is B bar. So hope this is clear. So this particular quad, I have made the expression or the min term that is extracted from this quad. So E is equal to 0, the Karnaugh map that I have plotted, so E bar, and followed by this particular quad is having the literal D as common, and from this you are going to have B bar as common. So now that is also completed, and finally the last group which is left over is this particular group only in E is equal to 0 Karnaugh map. So for this particular thing, you can see over here that this is E bar, because you are only taking the group from E is equal to 0. So E bar, and followed by, you can see what is the commonality here, that is C is common, and followed by here B bar is common, right? So now how many groups are there? So group number 1, group number 2, here group number 2, here group number 3, and here group number 4, and here group number 5, and I have 5 expressions or 5 min terms that are there. Okay, so now you see here how many literals are there, means you have to count individual. So D bar, C bar, all are literals. Okay, and variables are A, B, C, D, E, and literals are whether it is in bar, complement or uncomplemented form. So this is how you are going to construct a 5. Okay, there is a small error that has happened to this particular group. This is the 5th group. So here I have generated E bar, which is of the same Karnaugh map, E is equal to 0, but here it is pair. Okay, so whenever the pair is there, you take this commonality here, that is C. So E bar C is okay, and you can see here the column is having both B bar and A. So this is B bar and A. Okay, so this is a small mistake that I have made for the last group. Okay, so this is pair. So this is the final expression that we have got. And remember one thing, that the pair means it will remove one variable. So you can see that this particular pair has removed one particular term, that is E, right? And if it is a quad, 2 variables are removed. So you can see that here D and E are missing, right? So for all quads, you can see 2 variables missing, and for finally pair, only 1 variable is missing. So this is how the expression is constructed. Thank you.